What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online just by watching videos in 2020. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by watching videos in 2020. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop on this channel. And also, please hit that like button. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. Now, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this because I have 3 apps I'm going to show you. These apps will allow you to make money just by watching videos. So I'm going to show you the 3 best and the highest rated apps that will allow you to watch these videos and make money every time. So please watch this video all the way to the very end so you know all 3 of these apps. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these 3 apps. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at the first app and I'll tell you the name of it in a minute, but it's free to sign up. And actually when you sign up, you'll get a $5 bonus right off the bat. And you're going to be able to get some free gift cards when you redeem your points. So you can get Amazon gift card, you can get PayPal, Target, or Starbucks. So the name of this website, as you probably heard it before, is called Swagbucks, and they allow you to answer surveys, watching entertaining videos, and shopping online and more. So we're going to focus on just watching the videos. And once you watch the videos, you're going to accumulate some points and you're going to redeem those points for free gift cards to over 100 of your favorite retailers. But like I say, if you want to just get some money, you can just go ahead and cash out through PayPal. Now, they've paid out to their members 407,829,426 and counting. So that's a lot they have paid out to their members. Now here's one person that gave their review of this site after working on it. They said, before I became a swagger, our budget was limited. Now I save my gift cards all year and spend them online while earning even more SB through Shop and Earn. So this person is satisfied working on this site. So they have given out 7,000 free gift cards every day. So they do give out those 7,000 gift cards every day. So basically that's what you're going to be doing. I mean, you're watching videos. Now you can do the surveys and shop. You can do all that too. But basically, if you want to just watch videos, you can do that here and earn money. So once you sign up, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to click where it says ways to earn. And as you can see, it has a choice for watch videos. So you'll go to that page and start watching videos. All right, so if you're interested in getting started with this app, just go to swagbucks.com, and this app is available on iOS and Android. All right, let me go ahead and go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app, and you may have heard of it. It's called InboxDollars. This is available on Google Play. And let's just read a little bit about it right quick. So you can earn cash for your everyday online activities. Over 57 million in cash paid to members since 2000. So this app has been around for a while. And you could take surveys other than just watch videos. And like I said, you watch videos on this app. And here's one person that's on this app that has been using this app. They said, overall, this is a great app and my favorite way to earn cash on the side. I love InboxDollars. So that person is satisfied. Okay, so also other than just watching videos, you can read emails and get paid, complete offers, play games, and shop online. Now, once you accumulate enough money to cash out, it has to reach $30 in the account. So that's when you'll be able to cash it out. And you can cash out through check or gift card. Now, that's basically it about this app here. So if you're interested in starting with InboxDollars, you can go to Google Play and download the app and get started. Now, let me go ahead and go to the third and final app. All right, I'm at the last and final app. Now, the name of this app, I saved the best for last, is App Trailers. So, all they do is show videos, but they have added a new feature on this app, and which is trivia. So you get to play daily trivias, and you can win money that way also. So let's just read a little bit about it right quick. So it says here, check out the videos submitted from other App Trailer members, instructions for fun do-it-yourself projects, fun videos from the web, game trailers, movie previews, upcoming TV shows from our network partners, and more. So you're going to be looking at some very interesting and entertaining videos. You're not just going to look at some boring ad. So you're going to be looking at some movies, previews, TV shows. So you're going to be looking at some very entertaining stuff when you go ahead on here and watch videos. Now, it's been around since 2011, has over 3 million members worldwide. And they say here that App Trailers is supported by their advertisers. That's why they're able to pay you to watch the videos. And let's look at the rating right quick. Now, out of 5 stars, 4.3 is the rating for this app. And let's look at a review right quick. So this satisfied customer said, I don't usually rate apps, but if I come across one I really like to use and use on a daily basis, I go out of my way to rate them. This app is a great app and very easy to use when you're bored and looking for something to do. So this person is very satisfied using this app. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. I mean, it's a legit app. All these are legit app and high rated apps. So if you're ready to just start making some money just simply by watching videos, go ahead and go to these apps. And the name of this app again is App Trailer. Now that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys, App Grind family out there. I appreciate you always tuning in. Please hit that like button. Really helps out my channel. Let's try to get 50 likes on this video. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos when I drop them. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. All right, that's it. Please drop a comment because, like I said in the beginning of this video, I give out money sometimes. So I'm trying to get up to 2,500 subscribers. So please drop a comment, because I'm going to pick a comment once I get to 2,500 subscribers. I'm going to pick 2 comments, and those 2 people are going to win some free money. So please leave a comment and share this with everybody. All right, that's it. Before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please watch some of my other videos until the next one come out. Deuces.